Hello everyone, I am Arifur Rahman and today I am going to share why I chose Daffodil International University for my undergraduate program and why the Innovation and Entrepreneurship department is perfect fit for me. Choosing the right university was a big decision for me. I wanted to place that not only offered a strong academic program but also provided practical and real world experience. The Innovation and Entrepreneurship department at DIU stood out because it offers something truly unique, a blend of academic learning and hands-on industry experience. In the first semester alone, we had multiple industry visit opportunities. These visits are not just tours, they are practical learning experience that provide insight into how businesses operate. The department is dedicated to building real entrepreneurs. Our curriculum is designed to combine theoretical knowledge with practical application, ensuring we are well prepared for the business world. Expectation versus reality. Well, let me tell you, the reality here exceeds expectations. The support and guidance from faculty and peers have been individual in shaping my entrepreneurial journey. Whether it's developing a business idea, honing our pitching skill, or getting feedback on our ideas, the resources available here are unparalleled. Here's a glimpse of one of our recent industry visits. It's moments like these that remind me why I chose Daffodil International University. Thanks for watching. If you are passionate about innovation and entrepreneurship like I am, Daffodil International University might just be the perfect place for you. See you on campus.